Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us of our sin, as we forgive those who have sinned against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the power and the glory forever.